Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2. This your boy Ray Mack. We're about to do this here video. What kind of video? It's the Italian chopped cheese sandwich. This is a viral video. I've been seeing some of this on TikTok, but I'm gonna do it Ray Mack style. So y'all gonna love this here particular recipe. Trust me. First thing I got right here, I got some pepperoni, 5 slices of pepperoni, 5 slices of salami. Yes, Lord. Go to your nearest deli spot and get you some of this here meat. And we're going to use 5 slices of ham. Trust me, you're going to love this here. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to layer these on top of each other. And then I'm just going to go ahead and try to slice it or chop it the best way possible. So stay tuned and don't go nowhere. Trust me. Now I want to make some of this here Ray Mack's lettuce spread. Yes, Lord, we're going to spread this on our sandwich. So I got some lettuce here that's chopped, and I'm using some red vinegar wine. All right, cooking wine. And then I'm going to add this into a little container. Along with that, I'm going to take some of this here olive oil, and you could use whatever type of olive oil you would like. Just use about a teaspoon. All right, just about a teaspoon will work. And this is going to make a nice spread for our sandwich. Now I'm using some of this here Kraft sandwich spread. How many of you ever used sandwich spread during your childhood years? I know I've used plenty, and this will definitely work out because it has more flavors in it. Now I'm taking some of this here Grill Master McCormick's vegetable seasoning, and I just want to add at least around about a good tablespoon, I'm sorry, not a tablespoon, but a teaspoon into this here mix. And then I'm going to also add in some salt, just about a pinch of salt, because you got to understand something, those proteins have some salt in it already. Then we're going to add some black pepper. I'm just going to add at least around about a good teaspoon of black pepper to this. And after that, I'm going to toss in some parsley flakes just to add a little bit more color to our dressing. Trust and believe me, if you follow this here recipe, you're going to love it. You're going to love it. Not you, but everybody else who's going to put their mouth on it is going to love it. We're going to give this a nice mix, and then we're going to go ahead and move this over to the side once we then gave it a nice mix, because we want to go ahead and cook up our protein. So get you a cast iron black skillet on the stove, put it on medium high heat, and take you at least around about a tablespoon of butter, and melt that baby down. Now I want you to go ahead and take your nice hoagie bun, whatever type of hoagie bun you like that will fit your skillet, and let's brown this baby from the top to the bottom. So don't go nowhere, because if you do, you're gonna miss something real good and nice. Now, since we got our bread toasted on the top and the bottom, I want you to move that to the side. Take your proteins and throw it right there in that skillet, and we're going to brown these babies up a little bit. Now, the vegetables that I'm using to cook these with, I got me some pickled banana peppers, and I also got me some pickled red sweet peppers that I'm tossing into this as well. Well, it's not just red sweet peppers. You got a little green and yellow in that as well. So just take your banana peppers and your sweet peppers and just mix it into the pot and cook everything together. Cook it all together. All right, and you just want to get it till you got you a nice little char on it, and we're going to get some flavors into these here proteins, and then after that we're going to build our sandwich. Do me a favor, don't you go nowhere, but I want you to tell me in the comment section what other type of videos would you like to see in the future. And remember to give this video a thumbs up, and love and not hate. And do me another favor, subscribe to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill for more upcoming videos. I'm throwing on some of this here pepper jack cheese. Yes, Lord, this is going to give us some more flavors up in here, because with that pepper jack cheese, I don't know how many of y'all like other cheeses out there. When I build my sandwich, I want pepper jack on it. Now I'm taking this here spread and putting it on this here toasted bun, toasted hoagie. And then I'm going to take that all together well built and assembled meat and just put it right on top of it. And then from there, you know what time it is. Let's go.